guys, this is Balot Del Rosario from www.callmebalot.com and from Lanolane, Philippines. So this will be my first product review primarily because I was so happy with what I received yesterday from Manong Angkas. It's a professional audio equipment that I wanted to use for my workshop. So if you're following me in social media or if you're following the business page that I have, which is Lanolane, I have launched a series of workshops, online workshops for aromatherapy for next week. And I actually did do a workshop already last week, and I realized that if I'm gonna push through with my online workshops, that I would need something more professional in terms of audio because some of the attendees of the webinar they were complaining, not even complaining, they were giving me feedback that my voice wasn't as clear. So they're having a hard time hearing me. So it was very timely that I found Mickle's post that they are offering and selling a microphone which you can use at home. So they were initially talking about a microphone that can be used for work at home arrangements, but I think that it was perfect for my workshops and the banyo sessions that we have. So my husband and I would have this singing guitar sessions in our banyo, and I think that it would give us better audio if we use this professional mic. So here it is. It's Mickle US200, and I'm so excited to try it. Today. So you will probably experience some difference in terms of audio for this one once we have, hopefully, we have already installed it. So it, of course, comes with a user guide and yeah. So the user guide, and then it comes with a mic. Of course, it's so pretty. It looks very professional. And it comes with, of course, the connector to your computer and the tripod. So cute. You see that? Okay. So I'm so excited to try this out, and let's do this. I'm just gonna put my camera so that you can see how we will install this thing. Okay, so I've put the volume on the lowest level. Oops, maybe I shouldn't do that. Maybe I should. Okay, so installing first the tripod thing, making sure that it's tight and pretty. Yep. Okay, and then installing the microphone, and yeah. So I'm fixing it to this angle, which would be perfect. And then attaching. Okay, so attaching this thing right here. All right. And then, of course, attaching it to my USB port right here. Okay. So there you go. So excited. Okay. So I'll go to the Mac icon, system preferences, and then I'll go to the sound, and then choose mic USB 1, and then I'll okay, so I've done that, and now as you can see, I'm increasing the volume. Okay, test. So there you can see that my mic is already on. All right, so I'll just stop screen sharing. And yes, the mic is already working. And hey guys, so I'm now in Zoom, and this is basically where my workshops happen. So this is where I want to test the video, sorry, the audio of my workshop. So I wanted to make my workshops more professional. So this is how I would sound like if I am using my computer input. And so now I'm gonna plug in my earphones, and then I'm just gonna go to setting my mic to the earphones. Hold on a minute. Okay, so this is how I would sound like when using the microphone of the earphones, and this is what I have been using for the longest time. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that I really, really want to get a professional mic. So there, it was. This game is a perfect excuse. And now I'm gonna show you the input of the Mickle mic. So I'm moving my earphones here. I was just kidding. So, yeah, what this is how I would sound like with the Mickle mic. And what I like about it is that I can totally turn it off. So I don't have to really mute myself from the program, and just turn off the microphone, the volume of the microphone from the mic itself. So this is how I would sound like with Mickle mic, and it's so cool just having it right here in front of me. So makes things more professional, as they said, fake it until you make it. So yes, I'm gonna find out post production if there's any difference in the input, and I really hope it does. So yeah, this is my first ever product review, and I hope you like it. Do follow me in my Instagram at callmebalot, or my business Instagram at lanalaneph. And if ever you're into aromatherapy, do check out the upcoming workshops that I have. So hope you like this, and stay safe, guys. Bye.